Yes, what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto, and I'm back with another one. I want to show you guys a little bit about this DeFi wallet, man. There's so much going on with this DeFi wallet, but before I do that, uh, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. If you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, go ahead, use my link below. Sign up for Crypto.com. You get 25, I get 25. And I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you buy, whatever you do, you kind of have to do your own research so you can know what you're getting into. You know what I'm saying? But I want to jump right into it. I'm a little excited about this. I want to go back and see because I started this last night. It's a new that MMF Finance, and it's not MMF, it's MM Finance. So I want to go to MM Finance and see what's going on there. I have a few things stake. Try to earn me some interest. And this is what I always say, guys. Once this is what I always say, guys. Once you have your crypto and you have crypto.com, you might as well get you the DeFi wallet because the DeFi wallet that's where you're really gonna earn money. That's where you're really gonna make all the interest, by having the DeFi wallet, and it all goes by how much coin, like how many coins you have. The more coins you have is the more interest you're gonna get. So that's the thing that you guys gotta know. Let me see, pool. So right now I only got two pool. I only stake in two pool. But as you can see, guys, look at these APY. Look at these APY that I'm talking about, and this is what drives me nuts. It just seems unreal. Sometimes when you look at it, you have to wonder if this is real, but it is. No bank would give you these kind of APY in your money. You know what I'm saying? No bank. And that's why I love DeFi. DeFi is where it's at. I'm not a financial advisor, but as I said, do your own research. But as you guys can see, uh, I don't really have to say much. I'm gonna just go. I'm just gonna show you guys. You guys see. All I'm showing right now is these APY, these interest rate that look, 205, 254 APY. 256 APY, 254 APY, 244 APY, 353 APY. And this is a pool that I'm in right now. APY is 313%. Crazy, man. And this is where's the other one? 313%. This one is 551% APY. These is ridiculous, guys. This just ridiculous right now. I understand it's not gonna stay that way forever, but you just gotta get in get in early, and you really could make some money because whatever you put in, this is the annual interest rate that you're gonna get on these tokens, man. And all these tokens that you see right here, you just gotta go ahead and either buy them, and or if you don't have them, or whatever you have, you could swap it for something. So you just gotta go to swap and swap your tokens. They will walk you through it, how to do it. But these is ridiculous numbers that I'm looking at right now, man. And I love it. I start with $17. Now I'm up to 1981. And as I said, you see the percentage. I don't even have to say. I ain't got to say too much. You see it right there, 314% I'm getting back, and whatever I put in there, So uh, this is kind of what I want to show you guys, man. It's like you got to. I'm still in the learning phase. I'm still learning, and I'm testing a lot of these and see how they work. And as you can see right now, let me tap. Okay, so this one I started with $17. Now I'm at 19.59. It fluctuates, it goes up and down, but my percentage that I got so far is 8 cent, and that was this morning. That was last night. I was up late last night, so I did it last night. And so far, I got 25 million coins that I earned. Moon, I got 25 million moon that I earned. So, right now it's only 8 cent, but who knows what it's going to be the next 2 3 months from now. That's the thing about you know putting your coin up and earn other coin, because sometimes the coin that you get, they don't really cost a lot at the time, but within a month or so, you could be looking at a lot of money, man. But this is another one. I started with $75, and this one now I'm at $81. My interest is 12 cents. I got 22 millions of these CRK, which these are Crow King coins. Uh, I gotta look into it. I haven't looked much into it, but I would just try to, earn what I can, and something with a high APR, and but this is just ridiculous, man. When you really look at this. So, guys, do your own research, get the DeFi wallet, and when you get the DeFi wallet, you just gotta kind of go to the DeFi wallet, and uh, they got so many different dApps that you could really put your money into to earn. Some of them you get way more APY or APR. You understand what I'm saying? So that's kind of what it is. Let me go to Tectonic, because I do have a few things here in Tectonic. The only thing I don't like about the Tonic, they slow. This dApp is slow. I don't like how slow it is. It take a while to load up. I don't like that, but I like what I get back. I like the fact that I love making money, even if it's a cent. I love making money. You understand me? Yeah. So, guys, as I said, don't let this pass you. This is the time for you to really put your money into DeFi, because if you put your money into the bank, just sitting in the bank, you're not gonna make no money from your money just sitting in the bank. And even if you put your money in the bank to earn, the most you might get is 5 cents. You know what I mean? Within 4 or 5 months, or not even more than that, your money could be sitting in there for years, and you might get $5. Uh, I'm gonna go to VVS Finance and show you guys what I made with since last night. And all right, come on, this thing take a little time to upload, but I'm inside of Tectonic. Okay, so 220 220 220 mil 220 mil is what I supply. That's what I supply right now, and I borrowed I borrowed $166. uh, but I'm gonna use the percentage that I'm gonna get from staking to pay that back, because you could use your coin as liquidity, and then once you do that, then you could borrow. They give you a limit where you could borrow. When you borrow that money, then you could take that money and put it back. You could take it and put it back, or you could take it, put it back in liquidity, or you could use it for whatever you want to use it for. If you feel like you want to cash your money out and go use it to buy something, then that's what it is. But if you want to earn more money and the money that you borrow, so basically that money could pay for itself, you could do that. But this is kind of what's going on. I'm not a financial advisor, man. It's just a lot right now with these DeFi. I love DeFi, you know. So as I said, if you haven't, go learn as much as you can, because you could make money. You could make money while you sleep, you know. And that's just my Tectonic, and all these Tectonic. Most of this Tectonic that I stake right here. Uh, I earned these Tectonic that I got for free. Most of them I got them for free. So that's kind of what I'm trying to show you guys, man. Let me get back out of here, Tectonic, because there's not really much going on here. My wallet balance is 372 million Tectonic. So you guys know what the deal is, man. You see what it is. It's not a joke, you know. So let me get up out of here, and I'm gonna go to VVS Finance, because I do have some things staked there. So let's see what what VVS Finance got here for me. Okay, VVS. Let's see what it is, man. So yeah, guys, you know what I'm saying? Get your DeFi wallet, man. Your DeFi wallet is where you really could make some money. I'm not a financial advisor. I gotta keep saying that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Do your research. And that's why I make these videos, you know, because if I can do it, anybody else could do it. All right, as you can see, guys, I started this morning. I started this one this morning, like maybe I would say 5 o'clock this morning, and I already made 39 cents. You know, I already made 39 cents. I'm getting 138% APY in my Earn Tectonic. So on my VVS, that's what I'm making on my VVS right now, and I'm earning single. I'm earning single finance also. I'm getting 106% APY in that one. So far, I only got 53 cents off of my $41. But this is, as I said, this is what I'm showing you guys, man. You definitely could make your money work for you. The more money you have is the more money you get back. As I said, the more money you have is the more money you make, and that's the good thing, you know. But you can make money out here with this DeFi wallet, man. I don't know how long it's gonna stay like this for, but right now, this is the way to go. Uh, you know, get your crypto, put your crypto to work, man. And remember, your crypto is just, while your crypto's sitting there, while you're sitting there waiting for your crypto to go up, you could have been earning interest. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video today. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna always come back and show you guys the farm, and you know, tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys what it, you know, how much I make. Uh, so that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you guys haven't signed up for Crypto.com, make sure you go to Crypto.com and use my link below. Sign up, you get $25. I get 25. That's the way to start the journey, man. You know what I'm saying? Come get some of this. Come get some of this DeFi money, cause that's what's going on, man. It's your boy Congo Line Crypto. Y'all be safe out there. Get that money, financial freedom. That's what it is. Let's get them.